Modern life can be overwhelming. We often find ourselves buried under piles of stuff, endless to-do lists, and constant digital noise. But there is a way to find peace and clarity in the chaos: minimalism. Minimalism is about focusing on what truly matters and removing the excess. It's not just about having fewer things. It's about creating space for more joy, purpose, and freedom. In this video, we will explore 12 minimalist rules that can change your life. These rules will help you declutter your space, simplify your wardrobe, and focus on experiences over things. They will guide you in reducing financial complexity, limiting distractions, and embracing a slower lifestyle. By adopting these rules, you can find greater happiness and fulfillment. Let's dive into the world of minimalism and discover how these simple changes can transform your life. Rule 1. Declutter your space. Clutter can make you feel stressed and overwhelmed. Imagine walking into a room filled with piles of stuff everywhere. It's hard to find what you need, and the mess makes it difficult to relax. Decluttering your space can bring a sense of calm and order to your life. Start small, like with a drawer or a corner of a room. Take out everything and decide what you truly need or love. Donate or throw away the things that no longer serve you. Keep only what is essential. As you clear out the clutter, you'll notice a weight lifting off your shoulders. Your space will look better, and you'll feel more at peace. Plus, you'll save time because it's easier to find things. Decluttering isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating a more joyful and efficient living environment. Rule 2. Prioritize your possessions. Owning too many things can be overwhelming and stressful. It's important to prioritize your possessions to focus on what truly matters. Start by evaluating what you own. Ask yourself if each item adds value to your life, or if it's just taking up space. Keep the things that are useful, meaningful, or bring you joy. Let go of items that don't serve a purpose or hold sentimental value. This can be difficult, but remember that having fewer things means less clutter and more freedom. By prioritizing your possessions, you can create a home filled only with items that you love and use regularly. This not only makes your space more organized, but also helps you appreciate what you have. Prioritizing your possessions leads to a simpler, more intentional lifestyle, allowing you to focus on experiences and relationships rather than material goods. Rule 3. Simplify your wardrobe. Having too many clothes can make getting dressed stressful. Simplifying your wardrobe helps you save time and reduce stress. Start by going through all your clothes. Keep only what you wear often and what makes you feel good. Donate or sell the rest. Aim for a capsule wardrobe, which is a small collection of versatile, high-quality pieces that you can mix and match. Choose neutral colors and classic styles that can be dressed up or down. This makes it easier to create outfits without much thought. With a simplified wardrobe, you'll spend less time deciding what to wear and more time enjoying your day. Plus, you'll save money by buying fewer, better quality items. Simplifying your wardrobe not only makes your life easier, but also helps you appreciate the clothes you have. It's about having less but loving everything you own. Rule 4. Focus on experiences, not things. Many people believe that buying things will make them happy, but true happiness often comes from experiences. Instead of spending money on more stuff, try to focus on creating memories. Plan trips, go to events, or simply spend time with friends and family. Experiences like these bring lasting joy and help you connect with others. For example, a family vacation can create memories that last a lifetime, while a new gadget might only be exciting for a short time. Experiences also help you grow and learn new things, making life more fulfilling. By prioritizing experiences over material possessions, you can live a richer, more meaningful life. You'll find that the joy from a shared adventure or a fun outing often outweighs the temporary pleasure of buying something new. Remember, it's the moments you cherish, not the things you own, that truly make life special. Rule 5. Streamline your digital life. Our digital lives can be just as cluttered as our physical spaces. Too many emails, apps, and notifications can make us feel stressed and distracted. To streamline your digital life, start by organizing your email. Unsubscribe from newsletters you don't read and delete old messages. Create folders to keep important emails sorted. Next, clean up your phone and computer. Delete apps and files you no longer use. Organize your desktop and create folders for your documents. Limit your screen time by setting specific times to check your phone and social media. Turn off unnecessary notifications to reduce distractions. By simplifying your digital life, you can focus better and feel more in control. A clean digital space leads to a clearer mind and more productivity. Streamlining your digital life helps you use technology in a way that supports your goals, rather than overwhelming you. Rule 6. Practice mindful consumption. Mindful consumption means being aware of what you buy and use. Instead of shopping out of habit or impulse, think carefully about your purchases. Ask yourself if you really need the item, if it will add value to your life, and if it's worth the money. This approach helps you avoid unnecessary spending and reduces waste. When you do buy something, choose quality over quantity. Opt for items that are well-made and durable. This way, you buy less often and appreciate what you have more. Mindful consumption also applies to food and media. Eat healthy, whole foods, and limit processed ones. Consume media that enriches your life, rather than scrolling mindlessly. By practicing mindful consumption, you make more intentional choices that benefit your wallet, your well-being, and the environment. It's about making conscious decisions that align with your values and enhance your life. Rule 7. Establish clear priorities. Establishing clear priorities helps you focus on what truly matters in life. Start by thinking about your values and goals. What is most important to you? This could be family, health, career, or personal growth. Once you know your top priorities, you can make decisions that align with them. Create a list and rank your priorities to keep them clear in your mind. Each day, focus on tasks that support your main priorities and avoid distractions that don't add value to your life. Say no to commitments that don't align with your goals. This way, you have more time and energy for what matters most. Having clear priorities helps you stay organized and reduces stress because you know what to focus on. It also brings more satisfaction and purpose to your daily life as you are working towards what truly matters to you. Rule 8. Reduce financial complexity. Reducing financial complexity can make managing your money easier and less stressful. Start by simplifying your bank accounts. Try to consolidate them into 1 or 2 accounts to avoid confusion. Use automatic payments for bills to ensure you never miss a due date. Create a simple budget to track your income and expenses. Focus on your main financial goals, such as saving for a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Avoid using too many credit cards, which can lead to unnecessary debt and complicated payments. Instead, use 1 or 2 cards responsibly. Keep your financial documents organized in one place so you can easily find them when needed. By reducing financial complexity, you gain better control over your money and reduce stress. This makes it easier to focus on saving, investing, and achieving your financial goals, leading to greater financial peace and stability. Rule 9. Embrace a slow lifestyle. Embracing a slow lifestyle means taking the time to enjoy life and not rushing through it. Start by slowing down your daily routine. Take time to eat your meals slowly, savoring each bite. When you walk, enjoy the surroundings instead of hurrying to your destination. Reduce your schedule by cutting out unnecessary activities. Focus on doing fewer things, but doing them well. Practice mindfulness by being present in the moment, whether you are working, spending time with family, or relaxing. Make time for hobbies and activities that you love and that help you relax. By embracing a slow lifestyle, you can reduce stress and improve your well-being. This approach helps you appreciate the little things in life and find joy in everyday moments. Slowing down allows you to live more intentionally, connect deeply with others, and enjoy a more balanced and fulfilling life. Rule 10. Build meaningful relationships. Building meaningful relationships is key to a happy and fulfilling life. Start by spending quality time with the people who matter most to you, such as family and close friends. Be present during your time together, really listening and engaging in conversations. Show appreciation and gratitude for the people in your life. Small gestures, like a kind word or a thoughtful note, can strengthen your bonds. Make an effort to connect regularly, even if it's just a quick phone call or a text message. Be open and honest in your interactions, sharing your thoughts and feelings. This builds trust and deepens your relationships. Also, be willing to support others in their times of need. By investing time and effort into your relationships, you create a network of support and love that enriches your life. Meaningful relationships bring joy, reduce stress, and provide a sense of belonging. Rule 11. Limit distractions. Limiting distractions helps you focus better and be more productive. Start by identifying what commonly distracts you. This could be your phone, social media, or noisy environments. Create a distraction-free workspace by keeping it tidy and organized. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer to avoid constant interruptions. Set specific times to check emails and social media rather than doing it throughout the day. Use tools like website blockers to stay focused when working online. Break your tasks into smaller steps and take regular breaks to keep your mind fresh. Communicate with those around you about your need for focus time so they understand not to interrupt you. By limiting distractions, you can concentrate better on your work and complete tasks more efficiently. This leads to higher quality work, less stress, and more free time to enjoy other activities. Rule 12. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude can greatly improve your happiness and well-being. Start by taking a few moments each day to reflect on what you are thankful for. This could be as simple as a beautiful sunset, a kind gesture from a friend, or a delicious meal. Keep a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. Express your gratitude to others by telling them how much you appreciate them. This can strengthen your relationships and spread positivity. When facing challenges, try to find something positive or a lesson you can learn from the situation. Practicing gratitude helps you focus on the good in your life, reducing stress and increasing your overall happiness. It shifts your mindset from what you lack to what you have, creating a more positive outlook. By making gratitude a daily habit, you can cultivate a more joyful and content life. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.